Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian James and today we're talking about the overhead gantry that I made over the weekend. Sorry, week, not weekend. So the idea for the gantry was to lift in and out motors, gearboxes out of cars. I do have an engine hoist, but I'm not a big fan of them because they come up in an arc and it's sometimes really difficult to fine adjust. So with a block and tackle, you can inch it, you can move it. It's coming straight up, and because the gantry is on rollers and on a dolly up there, I have the ability to move the block and tackle anywhere I want and any direction I want. So over the week I've had to put my chevron up on the frame table over there to do any work on it because I was using the hoist for other things. Once again, really easy. Strop the chevron, lifted it up, and on the frame table it went. So I've got a nice balance point, and it's easy to put down as well. So if I wanted to move the chevron over a bit, not a problem. Easy to do fine adjustments in there. And easy to put back onto the ground. So I had a lot of this steel left over from other projects, and so all up, this whole overhead gantry has cost me about $60 odd. It's not a hell of a lot. So it was $40 for the casters and a box of beer to have the main plates done. That was it. We cut it up at work, picking out the sizes. Obviously I needed to have it not too tall so it interfered with the beams of the garage. It's been welded with 16 TC rods, which are a low hydrogen rod, very strong. So 1 inch of weld will hold a ton. I didn't do the welding, got one of the guys at work to do it because I'm a fitter and turner and not a welder. I can weld, but I'm not that good at it. And not to the point where I'd trust lifting a car with it. So yeah, other than that, that is my overhead gantry. Made within a week and extremely useful. Very good tool for the garage. Thank you very much. You have a good day.